letters in the mail, mostly from cracked up men in tiny rooms with factory jobs, or no jobs, who are living with whores or no woman at all. No hope, just booze and madness. Most of their letters are on lined paper, written with an unsharpened pencil or an ink, in tiny handwriting that slants to the left, and the paper is often torn, usually halfway up the middle. And they say they like my stuff, I've written from where it's at, and they recognize that truly I've given them a second chance, some recognition of where they're at. It's true, I was there, worse off than most of them. But I wonder if they realize where their letters arrive. Well, they are dropped into a box behind a 6-foot hedge with a long driveway leading to a 2-car garage, rose garden, fruit trees, animals, a beautiful woman, mortgage about half, paid after a year, a new car, fireplace and a green rug 2 inches thick, with a young boy to write my stuff now. I keep him in a 10-foot cage with a typewriter, feed him whiskey and raw horse, belt him pretty good 3 or 4 times a week. I'm 59 and the critics say my stuff is getting better.